Hello guys, in this video I will let you know how you can create Google Analytics account to set up WebKit GTM Assistant Shopify app. Search for Google Analytics, log in with your Google account, enter your password, click on next. Once you are logged in, click on start messaging to set up Google Analytics account. Enter your account name. It could be your business name or store name. I am adding as a store name. Click on next. Enter your property name. It could be also your store name. Select your time zone and currency. Click on next. Enter your store category. Select your business size. Click on next. Select your you want to track your
Objectives.
website. I'm selecting these all four options. Now click on create. Read these terms and conditions. Check it and accept it. Now choose the platform you want to set up. So as our Shopify is a store website, so click on web. Enter your website URL. So this is my store web URL. Please make sure you are adding the correct URL. Your GA4 account will be connected based on this entry what you are adding. So enter your stream name. Click on create and continue. So your Google Analytics account is being created. So this is your Google measurement ID. Thank you.